My name is Mackenzie Scott. I am the Director of Student Wellness. Being a young person is hard, and I understand that. Mental health and just health in general and wellness and just feeling good is not always easy. You're experiencing all these things, and sometimes our young people feel like it's only them, right? Like all of these things are happening to me. When I'm able to pull out students and we're walking around this beautiful campus, it just kind of shifts the dynamic for them a little bit. Being able to have that one-on-one time with them and to look them in the eye and say, I see you, I hear you, let's work through this. Like I tell all our young people, I'm like, you're not gonna be at Berkeley Hall forever. You're not gonna be a kid forever, right? You're gonna be an adult one day, and I wanna make sure you feel good about that and understand that there are gonna be trials and tribulations, but also a lot of beautiful, great things that happen too, and sometimes we just need a moment to talk to someone.